cold.
All right. We are on the Mountain Sea Trail. I think this is Mountain Sea Trail.
Yes.
Off 215. Just trying to find. They don't really have a name. People call them Mount Hardy Falls.
Yeah, we saw them one time when we were hiking, coming from another trail. So,
and then there's kind of an off trail to get to the base of them. We're gonna try to do the overlook and get to the base.
yeah,
We'll see. It's really cold today.
It is really cold. There's ice everywhere.
Ick ice. But I mean, it's January, so
True.
what can you expect?
So here we go. Yeah, we've been wanting to find these falls for a while, so.
Yeah, we've only seen them from a distance, so we're hoping to get
Yeah.
a close up today.
Not quite sure exactly where they are.
Yeah, we're a little confused, but we'll at least get to the overlook because we've been there. We know where that is.
Yeah.
It's just kind of a far away view, but it looks really beautiful.
Oh.
This trail, like, it's so boggy, but part of it is like this,
Like
frozen,
ice.
pretty solid.
Yeah, we would do this barefoot, but it might really hurt.
Yeah, let's not do that.
Yeah, let's not do that.
There's the waterfall, but I don't think you can see it at all. Do you see it? All right, so you can't see the waterfall very well, but it's straight ahead. We're gonna try to just bushwhack our way straight down through this and see if we can get to the base of it.
Yeah, we're just gonna use the compass on our phone and see.
Because apparently there's like two portions of that, and I think that's just the top portion. So the bottom portion we'll be able to see from the base, hopefully. But we don't know what really is in front of us, so.
Right now what's in front of us is a lot of briars.
Yeah, it's very brambly, but I mean, it's winter, so at least there's no poison ivy or snakes or anything. So that's the plan.
Can you tell us what's happening right now?
I don't know what's happening. We maybe didn't pick the best way.
This is
We like to do things the hard way.
This is off trailing at its finest right here.
Whoa! And the bad thing is, I think I see the trail that we were just on.
Oh yeah, this way.
All right, so we stopped to eat some lunch. It's freezing now. And now we gotta cross this creek somewhere. Somewhere along the creek, because the falls are up there somewhere, we think. I'm thinking right here. What do you guys think? See, this is what we mean when we talk about the Mountain to Sea Trail. They call it out and then it makes a river. It's terrible. This tree is humongous. We think we might see it. What we did was we just got off the trail back there and then followed the stream up. And there actually is a slight trail. Of course, we don't know if we're there yet.
This is a dog harbor.
Oh my goodness, with the ice on it. How fairy tale-ish. Oh, look how pretty. Wow.
Wow.
That ice over on that side is so
Yeah.
cool.
Wow.
We found it! Yay!
Wow, look at that.
Oh, and the ice. Oh, that was amazing.
Wow, look at that.
Kind of see the upper, like right there.
Wow.
From what we could see from the trail.
Very cool.
And there's ice everywhere. These rocks are just covered in ice.
It's about 28 degrees, right?
Yeah, the thermometer said about 28. So cool. And the ice over on that side. Hard to see because of the way the sun's hitting it, but
There's a pretty good shot of the upper and the lower part of it. The sun's hitting it really bad though. This is beautiful. Oh. This is way squishier than I was thinking it would be. I don't know, well, in pictures this is funny. Alright, we're gonna wrap up real quick. We it's getting windy. Took a little side trip to Sand Branch Falls because we thought it might be icy too, but it wasn't as cool as the other one.
Not really.
Not with the icy, but it was high and really pretty.
Yeah, it might be because the flow is so much faster on this one.
Yeah,
It kind of doesn't.
deeper.
Yeah.
Or something. But anyway, that other one was awesome, and it wasn't as hard to get to as the directions online made it seem.
It was actually pretty easy.
Yeah.
Pretty faint trail, but you can kind of, if you know where you're going, you can kind of see it.
Yeah. But with the ice, it was just, I don't know if it'll ever be that cool again.
Yeah.
That was really pretty.
Enjoy the pictures.
Yeah, exactly. It was a good day. I don't have any idea how far we hiked. Maybe 2 or 3 miles.
Yeah, not far, but a lot of bushwhacking, including this one.
Yeah, and that last portion is really really steep, and it was so wet.
Yeah, so that trail's a little dangerous actually.
Yeah, it wasn't as impressive this time. We thought it would be icy, but
No. But good day, but really cold. I don't know if it got above 30 degrees where we are.
yeah, and it's almost looking like it might snow. There's some clouds rolling in, so we're hoping.
Yes. Fingers crossed.
But it was fun. Oh, and also we started an Instagram for like behind the scenes pictures and stuff. It's just Upward Falling NC if you want to look at more pictures or whatever. So